What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we will be deriving the following function. As you can see there, we have two natural log x. So this time around we're gonna do a natural log. So before we start, I already done videos on logs, the standard logs, where we derive the standard log, so you can go and check them out. This is part 18, so it's gonna be part 15, 16 and 17, right? Go and check those videos there. But if you are new on this channel, I would like to let you know that I've done videos on other chapters like trigonometry, limits, binomial theorem, the expansion, the specific term, and the derivative from the principles, using the principles, the first principles I mean, and also the standard derivative. But for derivatives guys, you have to watch till the end of this video to see the playlist where I derive from standard derivative to this one here. So I hope you're gonna able to watch those videos. Alright guys, if you're returning, you remember guys, you can pause and try to solve this problem here, and let's see if your answer is gonna be the same. Okay, now let's start. So let's look at this one here. So this one here guys, we need to use our formulas. So since this is a natural log, the formula is gonna be y and then k, and then we say a natural log x, right? So when we find the dy dx, well, this one is gonna be k over x, right? So if you can see here on this side, k is gonna be 2, right? So how you gonna do this one? Dy dx is gonna be 2, then what? X. As you can see, this one was straightforward guys, it didn't need much. By the way, if you don't know where these formulas are coming from, do not forget guys, I've made a video. You can go and watch that video here so that you don't get confused, right? So I explained a lot of the formulas that we use to derive, right? The formula before we derive and after we derive. So guys, I hope you understood what is happening here. If you find this video useful, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and share this video to your friends who are doing the same level when it comes to math I mean. And then also you can comment if something that you want to add or there's something missing there. Guys, thank you very much for watching. At the end of this video there's a playlist. Go and watch that playlist in order for you to understand better. Cheers.